Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 2-bath mountain contemporary home in the serene St. Mary's Glacier community of Idaho Springs, Colorado. The home was built in 2020 and offers 1,860 square feet of modern living on a peaceful wooded lot. Stepping inside to the right, discover a versatile lower-level bedroom. Perfect as a guest suite, home office, gym, or movie room, this space adapts to your lifestyle needs. Ascending to the main living area, you're greeted by an open concept design with LVP flooring and modern touches throughout. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops, seamlessly flowing into the dining area. Take a closer look at the kitchen's beautiful finishes, ample cabinets, and functional layout, ideal for entertaining and keeping conversation flowing. The living room offers a cozy ambiance with large windows that frame the natural beauty just outside, vaulted ceilings, and a beautiful custom stair railing, filling the space with light and warmth. This area provides endless opportunities to gather with your friends or family, or watching a movie or playing a board game, and everything in between. Retreat to the spacious primary bedroom, a tranquil haven featuring serene views and ample space for relaxation. The ensuite primary bathroom includes dual vanities, a tiled shower and tub, a separate water closet, and a generous walk-in closet with a cozy bonus nook to use as you'd like. Heading toward the other side of the home, the first secondary bedroom is bathed in natural light and features a convenient reach-in closet. Nestled between the additional bedrooms is a full bathroom with a tiled tub and shower and a sleek vanity. Toward the back of the home, the third bedroom offers picturesque views of the wooded backyard and includes a sizable reach-in closet as well. Both rooms and bathroom provide great space for guests or family members. Past the kitchen, we step outside through the French doors to a large back patio, complete with a fire pit and ample space for dining, grilling, or even adding a hot tub. Surrounded by mature pine trees, the outdoor space is perfect for relaxation and entertaining in the mountain air or under the stars. Experience mountain living at its finest at 79 Beaver Road in St. Mary's Glacier. To schedule a private tour or for more information, contact us today.